Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 27 to June 2, 2024. Okay, let's see what's coming to you, Aries, ngayong week na to. You have the Chariot, Nine of Cups, the Fool, and the Eight of Wands. Okay, as your overall energy, you have the Chariot. You are very busy. Maaring may mga kailangan kang asikasuhin this week. More on travel, no? Running errands, or meron ka ring aasikasuhin related sa yung sasakyan. And ano ka ngayon? Very focused, no? Focus ka sa goals mo. Para ring meron kang hinahabol, no? Siguro yung mga mga hindi mo nagawa nung nakaraang linggo, ngayon mo tatapusin. You have the Four of Wands. This is related to your family, home life. Maari ring merong celebration sa family. Pwedeng may ikakasal, or meron kayong achievement, no, sa family, like one of your family members, meron siyang achievement and you are here to celebrate. Yung iba parang may hinahabol na babayaran eh. Babayaran related sa bahay, pwedeng amilyar, no, tax. Nine of Cups is your challenge. So, maaring may frustration dito sa mga bagay na gusto nyong mangyari, yung mga fulfillment ninyo, yung mga wish ninyo na gusto nyo na mangyari na. Oo, may mga bagay kasi na hindi naman natin kailangang madaliin. What is the Nine of Cups? The Knave of Coins. Yes, speaking of hindi kailangan madaliin, dapat slowly but surely, no? As long as you are taking action to that, you are willing to learn, makukuha mo rin naman yung goal mo, yung gusto mo. As long as open ka to learning. You have the Fool as your opportunity. So this is freedom, experiencing something new. Pwedeng some of you will take some risk. Magte-take kayo ng risk sa relationship or sa trabaho ninyo, sa career ninyo. What is the Fool? You have the Ten of Wands. Parang may new responsibility kayo. Oo. I mean, maaring susubok kayo ng bagong trabaho, business. Pero syempre, it requires obligation, no? Kumbaga, meron kang kailangan panagutan mo. Oo. But I think, mahirapan ka man, kaya mo. 'Di ba? Ang importante dun, kaya mo siyang i-handle. Your blessing, Eight of Wands. Merong good news na parating. Oo. O, 'di ba? Six of Wands. This is recognition. Maaring ikaw ay napili na mabigyan ng award sa trabaho, or kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon, yung buhay mo ngayon, yung the way you live your life will be recognized by a lot of people. Example, you're a content creator on TikTok, you will receive recognition, or may success sa iyong mga contents, or anything na pinagbubuhusan mo ng hard work mo, no? So, it's going to be masasabi mo na worth it talaga. So, tinan naman natin yung for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances, messages, energies for Aries. For Aries. You have the Eight of Pentacles. Oh, you are focusing on your money. Maaring meron kang mga trabaho ngayon, or pinagkakaabalahan na parang ayaw mong ayaw mong magpaabala. Oo. Talagang, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong minamaster na craft. Meron kayong minamaster na skill. Talagang nandoon yung inyong focus, yung inyong attention. And I think, magiging worth it to para sa inyo. What else? You have the Five of Wands. Maaring you're very competitive at this time. Parang gusto mong patunayan talaga that you are the best. Maaring you are also getting some inspiration sa mga taong you look up to, no, yung mga tinitingala mo. Nine of Pentacles, Definitely, this is financial abundance, financial independence. Yung iba, siguro gusto nyo na kasing bumukod or nagkaroon ng sarili nyong bahay or sarili nyong space para hindi kayo napapakialaman. So, para magawa nyo yon is kailangan nyong mag-ipon. Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga Aries. Okay. You have the Justice card, the Ace of Cups, the Son of Cups. Okay, pwedeng merong Libra na magiging interested sa inyo or you are connecting with a Libra. Meron ditong namumuong relationship. Maaring mayroong may crush or may potential na romantic connection. But I think, yung iba sa inyo, kung ito ay bagong person na darating sa buhay nyo, pwedeng hindi kayo agad-agad na papasok sa relationship. Gusto nyo munang kilalanin tong taong to. If you are in a relationship naman, I think, meron ditong renewal, no, ng connection ninyo, lalo na kung nagkaroon kayo ng problema before, nag-away kayo, ngayon, parang magkakaroon kayo ng agreement na kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin para mas lalo nyong mapatibay ang inyong relasyon. May drama. You have Mercury in Leo in the 5th house. So, pwede itong kung may mga anak mo, medyo malalaki na, parang magkaroon ng misunderstanding issue or may mga parang power struggle between you and your kids, or pwede rin ikaw as a child, no, issue mo with your parents. Maari ring meron ditong mga kailangan mong i-explore din, no, sa yung creativity, lalo na kung ikaw ay very artistic, no, inclined sa inyong arts, na you have talents in creative writing, pwede rin sa boses mo, you are a good singer. You have Venus in Pisces in the 12th house. Meron kang yung iba sa inyo para kayong meron tinatagong tinatagong talents and skills na kailangan nyong ilabas para lalo kayong maging successful or makilala. Yung iba sa inyo may talent kayo sa singing, or there's something about how you carry yourself na hindi nyo masyadong ipinapakita sa iba. Like, magaling ka sa fashion, magaling ka mag-modeling. And maaari ring merong feelings dito towards someone na hindi mo na-express. Can be anyone. Can be a romantic partner, a friend, or a loved one. Learning, ayan. So, meron ka mga pag-aaralan. Pwedeng literal, papasok ka sa school, or mag-enroll ka sa online course, or pwedeng you're going to do your own research. Pwedeng related sa spirituality, yung gusto mong malaman, matutunan, kung paano mag-meditate, and magkaroon ka ng yung peace of mind. I also see you becoming more conscious, no, sa paligid mo. Yung iba, spiritual awakening. Nostalgia, focus on the here and now. Ayan. So, minsan kasi masyado tayong nagdedwell from the past. I mean, past is part of our lives, no? Parte yan ng buhay natin na pwede nating bisitahin ulit at i-reminisce at ma-realize ano yung mga naging pagkakamali natin, and yung learnings natin doon pwede nating i-apply sa present moment. Pero kung hindi ka na namumuhay sa present moment mo at lagi na lang sa past, mahirap maka-move on, mahirap maka-move forward, and some of you may feel stuck, no, kapag ganon. So, ang advice dito is to focus on the here and now. Yung present moment mo is very important kasi yun yung magdidictate ng iyong future. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!